Are you a person who can't control his hunger when you're in the kitchen? Are there always something you can eat in your fridge? You know, you can't control your hunger.
Our product is considered one of the most innovative and effective new products of 2014. If you buy this product, you will lose weight, you will have a healthy life, you don't need to spend money in gym, you will reduce your consumption of calories.
Only call 201-800 Fitness Fridge. It's too easy to install. You only need to put out in the table near to the refrigerator. The Fitness Fridge works by blocking the door of your refrigerator. To unlock it, you need to choose the food that you want in your smartphone. You choose an apple. You only have to do 5 squats. The Fitness Fridge tells you which exercise you need to do depending on the calories of your selection. If you know your routine, the door will be unlocked and you can take your food. For a limited time, your Fitness Fridge includes a pair of dumbbells. It's not available to people with heart problems.
Thanks to Fitness Fridges, now I keep my figure easier. Now I have to work out when I'm going to eat. In addition to its implementation to take the control of the calories burning daily.
You use this product to your health. This product was designed for young adults and middle-aged adults. Our products will be advertised through TV commercials.